Hello friends, welcome back to our own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, I'm back with another interesting swing trading stock. Avanti Feeds Limited. This Avanti feed stock has given just 8.8% returns in the past 1 year. That means guys, the stock is almost at the same level which is 1 year ago. So guys, it is a wonderful opportunity for you to pick this stock for taking a swing trade and for long-term investment. Guys, the stock has got huge potential to give you at least 15 to 20% returns in coming months. Guys, can Avanti reach the target level 675? Can it give you minimum 20% returns in coming months? Let us find out in this video by analyzing the stock technically and fundamentally, and also I am going to give you some buy levels and targets for taking a swing trade. So guys, please watch this video without skipping till the end. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. And please like this video, your every like gives me motivation to make more and more swing trading stocks. Now let us come back to the topic. Now let's see Avanti's business model. Avanti Feeds Limited is a manufacturer of prawn and fish feeds, shrimp processing and exporter. The company's services are shrimp feed and processed shrimp. Its segments are shrimp feed and windmills. It has got 3 subsidiaries: Avanti Frozen Foods Private Limited, Avanti Thai Aqua Feeds Private Limited, Srivatsa Power Projects Private Limited. Now let's see its financials. Avanti's revenue growth is excellent. Its revenue has increased from 3.44 in 2018 to 4.19 in 2021. But guys, its profits were decreased from 0.45 to 0.36 from 2018 to 2021. Guys, all the values are in 1000 crores. Now let's see its quarterly financial performance. Avanti Feeds total revenue has increased from 943 crores in December quarter to 1430 crores in June quarter, but in the previous quarter, the revenue has fallen to 1251 crores. Guys, if you see the net income, the profit, it is around 70 crores in December quarter, March quarter and June quarter. But in September quarter, the profits were declined drastically. It has fallen to 24 crores. And guys, Avanti is almost a debt-free company. It has just 2.93 crores long-term debt in financial year 2021. And friends, Avanti has good cash flow. Its free cash flow has increased from 143 crores in 2020 to 306 crores in 2021. Guys, as Avanti Feeds has got good cash flow and it is almost a debt-free company, in order to perform well, it has to increase its revenue as well as it has to increase its profit margins and it has to post good profit numbers in coming 2 quarters. Guys, now let's see its shareholding pattern. Avanti Feeds has 43.68% promoter holding, 5.12% mutual fund holding, and 0.11% domestic institution holding, and 17.37% foreign institutional investors holding, and retail holding is 33.72%. Guys, as FII and mutual funds are holding more than 20%, we can expect good growth in coming quarters. Now let's see the stock past performance. In the past 1 month, the stock has given just 3.94% returns. And guys, in the past 5 years, the stock has given good returns of 237%. And guys, if you see the maximum chart, the stock is a multi-bagger stock. It has given a bumper returns of 33,725%, making investors' capital multiplied by 337 times. Guys, Avanti Feeds is an excellent stock for both swing trade and for long-term investment. So guys, let us analyze it technically by using charts. Here I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Guys, here I have opened 1-day technical chart of Avanti Feeds. Here each candle represents a single day. Avanti stock is presently trading at the level of 565. If you look at its RSI, the relative strength index, it is at 62.72, and it is looking strong. And guys, if you see the MACD indicator, it is already bullish. And guys, in the previous session, the stock formed a bullish candle by crossing all the moving average indicators, the 20-day, 50-day, 100-day and 200-day moving average indicator. And the candle is formed with good volumes. Here you can see clearly. Guys, whenever a bullish candle forms by crossing all the moving average indicators with good volumes, we can expect a good rally in coming days. If Avanti becomes bullish, it has got strong resistance at the level of 580. The stock can jump to the levels of 580 like this. If it has good potential and if it can break the level of 580 by giving a breakout like this, the stock can rally to the levels of 600, 625, 650 and it can even go beyond 675 levels. So guys, it's a wonderful opportunity for you guys for taking a swing trade. So I am here with some buy levels and targets. The buy levels are level 1 557, level 2 550 and level 3 530. And the targets are target 1 580, target 2 620 and target 3 675. Guys, please keep the stop loss at 500 and the time period you have to hold is 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. And guys, please invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and also at each and every dip and hold the stock for at least 1 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Friends, Avanti Feeds has a market cap of 7,548 crores and it is a mid-cap stock, so you can expect medium level volatility in this stock. And stock has got good growth ratios. Its ROCE is 28.9% and its ROE, the return on equity, is 20.4%. Avanti's return ratios are excellent. Now let's see what drives its future growth. Avanti's raw material prices have been increased and it has dented its profit margins. If there is a reduction in raw material prices, its profit margins can be improved. Already, there is a gradual price drop in soybean meals and fish meals. Also, they are witnessing price drop in vitamin and mineral premixes, packing materials, etc. So we can expect good profit numbers in coming Q3 and Q4. And guys, company can increase its sale prices of feed so that it can improve its revenue. And Avanti has excellent expansion plan. Its shrimp feed manufacturing capacity is going to increase from existing 6 lakhs metric ton to 7,75,000 metric ton per annum by setting up a new shrimp feed plant at Bandapuram with a capacity of 1,75,000 metric ton per annum. Its estimated capex is 125 crores and is about to commercialize from June 2022. And company is expecting the growth rate of exports to be 10 to 15% in coming quarters. So guys, by looking at all these factors, the reduction in raw material prices, the increase of sale prices of feed, the shrimp feed manufacturing capacity expansion, we can expect good growth in company's future. Guys, technically, Avanti looks very strong. It can give you good rally in coming days. And fundamentally, if you see, it has to improve its financials, it has to increase its revenue, and as well as it has to post good profits in coming Q3 and Q4. So that we can expect a good rally in this stock. It has good potential to give you at least 20% returns in coming days. Guys, this is all about Avanti Feeds Limited. I will come up with another interesting stock. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. And guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Also, please follow my Telegram channel where I will post important updates on daily basis, and please like our pages on Instagram and Facebook. A small disclaimer friends, the levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. Thank you friends.